Hi, welcome to 9649 Coles Ferry Pike. This home has it all. If you love nature and you love to have some land and to be spread out, then this is the home for you. It has a pool and a fire pit, a place for you to even have chickens if you like, or just a beautiful garden. But let's come and explore this beautiful home together. Let's start with this amazing kitchen. This kitchen is for the chef at heart. So if you love to cook, you'll love this space. You've got this beautiful countertop island, butcher block island in the kitchen. There's custom cabinetry and a custom built-in pantry here. And then also you'll notice too that you have stainless steel appliances, beautiful countertop, and it's also got your windows. You don't see windows a lot in kitchens anymore. So that's one feature that I love, that you have the double windows here, one over the sink so you can look outside and see the nature, just see all the beauty of the nature in this home and on the outside. You may even spot a deer or two roaming around. Check out this beautiful, cozy primary bedroom. You're gonna love it. So as you can see, lots of natural light in here. They have built-in cabinetry in the closets here. Be sure to check out this beautiful living room. It's so cozy and inviting, and I think you'll really enjoy this amazing fireplace. Turn it on with just one click. Do you love to entertain? Well, this house has it all. Brand new deck, nice pool, hot tub. If you love having your friends and family over, then this would be the home for you. Also, be sure when you come to check out the workshop that has full electricity inside. It's great for those that like to do projects, tinker around. So be sure to check that out as well. There's a storage building, as you see, for those extras that you may have, or if you have an RV, there's extra parking here for a boat or RV. We'll also be sure to check out the boat dock that is close by. It's just a half a mile up the road, and we'll check that out after we leave the home. What about this amazing fire pit? Can you imagine coming out here in the cozy time of the fall of the year and then just enjoying s'mores in this amazing fire pit? Or coming out and just telling ghost stories with friends or family. This is such a great place for entertaining and just enjoying a nice, cozy fall or winter evening. Don't forget also, what goes with fire? Water. So there, we're gonna take a tour again shortly of the boat dock that's not far from here. So stay tuned for that. So I promised you a boat dock right up from the house at 9649 Coles Ferry Pike. So here you go. Isn't this great? Be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. So now we end our tour with the Cherokee Marina here in Lebanon. Beautiful place to put your boat, to dock your boat. There's a place here for water taxi, and there is a great restaurant on the water that you can come and just sit and relax and have lunch or dinner. So if you liked this video, be sure to hit like, subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to discover Lebanon a little bit more, or maybe think about moving here, I'd love to help you. Or if any of the greater Nashville area is intriguing to you and you think you want to discover more, please give me a shout. You can text, call. I would love to talk with you. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.